let's talk about an exciting XRP price prediction from a well-known chart analyst. He's forecasting a surge to over $33 per XRP within the next couple of months. That's right, by May 2025. I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today. This prediction comes at a time when XRP is absolutely crushing it by multiple metrics. It's currently one of the top-performing crypto assets globally, dominating headlines like this one. From Crypto Basic, XRP ledger records, massive account and trust line growth amid surging traction. The momentum behind XRP adoption is astonishing, and the data speaks for itself. Stick around, and I'll dive into some of these key highlights. But before we go any further, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial expert, just someone passionate about sharing insights. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not here to give financial advice, so don't make any buying or selling decisions based on what I say or write. I'm just a crypto enthusiast who loves sharing my thoughts via YouTube. It's all for fun and totally a hobby. Now, let's dive in. Here's the scoop. Activity on the XRP ledger, the native network for XRP, has exploded over the past few months. This surge comes thanks to growing adoption and some pretty bullish macroeconomic trends. With XRP and Ripple constantly making headlines, the XRP ledger is riding this wave of momentum and gaining serious traction. Blockchain adoption has been on a tear, and the XRPL network is no exception. Since early last year, activity on the blockchain has skyrocketed, reflecting its growing popularity. Miyoka Vadari, a senior software engineer at RippleX, recently shared compelling data that charts this upward momentum. Spoiler alert, it's impressive. The data reveals a 24% surge in XRPL accounts, along with a rise in trust lines, signaling increased engagement. A detailed chart drives the point home, showcasing the network's growth. Back in January 2024, the XRP ledger had around 5 million accounts. Fast forward, and that number has swelled by over 24%, proving that XRPL's adoption is more than just a trend, it's a movement. Ripple's blockchain is on a roll, hitting nearly 6.2 million accounts this year and showing no signs of slowing down. To put it in perspective, it took the XRP ledger almost 5 years to reach just 700,000 accounts. Now, it's added a whopping 1.2 million accounts in just over a year. Talk about momentum! And there are only 3 coins for which that is true. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. That's it. It's a very unique situation here. As the US opens the floodgates for banks and financial institutions to dive into tokenization, Ripple stands ready to lead this revolution. And let's not forget, XRP has held its spot in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap for over a decade. There's a reason why it's been a consistent favorite, and the future looks brighter than ever. XRP's real-world utility and the power of the XRP ledger are game changers, massively boosting its chances of thriving long-term. Let's face it, XRP isn't going anywhere, folks. For those of you who've been in this for the long haul, patiently riding the ups and downs for years, this is the payoff moment. Those with the right mindset, ready to wait as long as it takes, are the ones who unlock life-changing wealth. That's where we are now, a pivotal point where the bigger picture is finally clicking for people. Even beyond those who proudly identify with the XRP community, more and more people are jumping on board. And that's the key takeaway. Here's a market cap XRP dominance chart, shared by chart analyst Dom. His analysis highlights that XRP dominance continues to outperform, showcasing XRP's growing strength against the broader market. With a clear uptrend and a 3-month RVWAP lining up perfectly, it sets the stage for a potential breakout moment. Just 2 days ago, XRP tested the 2,100-day resistance level, arguably one of the most significant in its history. Call me optimistic, but I've got a strong feeling that by the end of this cycle, XRP dominance is going to soar way beyond where it is now. At the time of posting, it sits at 5.14%, up from a cycle low of just 1%. That's already a 5-fold increase. If you ask me, I wouldn't be surprised to see it double or even triple from here. And remember, that doesn't just mean the price would only follow suit. The expectation is that the entire crypto market will grow, giving XRP an even bigger slice of the pie. Even if the dominance percentage stays the same, if the overall crypto market grows, that's when things get exciting. Imagine XRP tripling from here. What does that put it at? Around $7.50? Yeah, that's when the real fun begins. But here's the kicker. I genuinely believe XRP has a solid shot at challenging Ethereum for the #2 spot in market cap. Sounds bold? Don't be shocked if it happens this cycle. Check this out. A charting pro pointed out that XRP is now within striking distance of Ethereum. All it needs is a 1.7x boost. That's it. Just a 1.7x and boom. XRP takes the number 2 spot. In the world of crypto, that's nothing. Completely normal. Now, aiming higher might seem ambitious, but hey, who's complaining? Chart analyst Crypto recently shared their XRP price projection, a snapshot cycle of $27 to $33 by May 2025. Imagine that. It's a big ask, sure. But in crypto, anything's possible. Well, folks, that's quite the daring prediction. It's a short time frame to pull off such a leap. But here's the thing. When XRP moves, it doesn't mess around. It's like a sprinter out of the blocks. Quick and explosive. Take 2017, for example. XRP's meteoric rise from around 20 cents to its all-time high of $3.35 happened in just 2.5 weeks. Blink, and you'd have missed it. That was the entire run. Over just like that. So, if history's any indication, when it's time for XRP to take off, buckle up. It'll be fast and furious. Here's what he had to say, and it's worth thinking about. Sure, I sometimes throw myself under the bus with predictions, especially when it comes to timing. But honestly, sharing these thoughts with the community feels worth the risk. Even if it blows up in my face, I'll still take the leap. Let me be absolutely clear though, I don't try to time the market. Why? Because it's nearly impossible. Instead, I stick to the golden rule. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. Here's the thing. I've never met a single chart analyst who can consistently nail timing. Not one. Sure, you can look at history and say, if things unfold similarly, this is what it might look like. That's fair. But outright saying, this will happen by X date? That's a whole other story. Consistent predictions? Nope. Nobody can pull that off. It's exciting, isn't it? Things can get a little thrilling around here. With the current bull market in full swing, the idea of XRP shooting to the moon in no time? Not far-fetched. Not even a little. It's totally within the realm of possibility. Analysts everywhere are predicting double-digit price action for XRP, and some are even throwing numbers like 20 plus into the mix. And let's be real, crypto has pulled off wild moves like this before. So, why not XRP? The truth is, it absolutely could happen. Will it? Hard to say, but this isn't some out-there fantasy. This is the kind of thing we've seen in crypto over and over again. And yes, it could happen fast, especially if we're heading toward that euphoric blow-off top everyone's whispering about. When that moment hits, you better believe XRP will be in the spotlight. So, here's the deal. I'm diving into a potential weekly channel formation, and something interesting is popping up. Back in 2017, from the start of the channel to the breakout that triggered the cycle's blow-off top, it took about 175 days, delivering a jaw-dropping 2,500% move off the channel's low. Fast forward to today, and XRP's price action is looking eerily similar. We've got the 21 EMA holding strong with just a slight wick, and if this pattern mirrors the past, XRP could rocket to the fib 1.618 level. Think 27 to 33. Here's the kicker. This explosive move could take just 28 days if history is any guide. So, are we staring at a repeat of 2017? XRP fam, the charts are speaking loud and clear. Men lie, women lie. But these charts? They don't. Time frame, price targets, it's not crazy. I'm not in the business of predicting prices, and I'm definitely not a charts guy, but I do love gaining insights from all the brilliant chart analysts out there. And honestly, it's totally within the realm of possibility. That much I can say for sure. Still, it all comes down to one big question. When will the market heat up? Let's not forget, back in April 2021, XRP hit its peak for the last cycle. Now here we are, creeping up on that 4-year mark. If history decides to rhyme once again, the most exciting chapter might just be right around the corner. Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked if that's exactly what happens again. For so many of you listening, this could be a total game changer, myself included. Honestly, I've been waiting for this moment, just like you have. Feels like it's finally our time, doesn't it? That said, I'm not a financial advisor. Seriously, don't make any big moves based on what I say. Trust me, that could turn out to be a really, really bad idea.